We are proud to have with us this evening the Mayor of Herzliya, the Honorable Yael German, who is with us tonight. Ms. German is in her second term as mayor. Prior to her election, Ms. German served as co-director of Yariv Ben Eliezer Mass Media Consultants. She has also been the administrative director of GG Electronics Limited, in addition to being the founder and director of the Tehillah Project School for Adult Education in Herzliya, for which she was the recipient of the Education Prize for work in the Tehillah Project in 1986. But, most importantly, we are proud of the fact that the mayor holds a Master's of Business Administration degree from the Arison School of Business at IDC Herzliya.
Professor Uriel Reichman, President of the Interdisciplinary Center, Mr. Boaz Ganor, Executive Director of the ICT, Mr. Jonathan Davis, Head of the Rafael Recanati International School, Mr. Shabtai Shavit, honored guests, good evening. I'm really honored to welcome you here in Herzliya. Herzliya, like many other cities in Israel and around the world, has been a victim of terrorism and paid the ultimate price. The citizens of Israel are faced with this threat on a daily basis, and now there are real warnings about attempted kidnapping of Israelis abroad. I would like to congratulate the Interdisciplinary Center, where, as mentioned, I graduated my MBA, and the ICT for their initiative and ongoing commitment to hold this international conference, which attracts security experts from around the world. I have no doubt that these experts convening at this international conference will come up with some ideas on how to eradicate terrorism from our lives. I wish you an enlightening and productive conference and hope that as guests of our city, you will have the opportunity to enjoy the hospitality and attractions of Herzliya. Welcome. Thank you.